guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thank you to Unice for sponsoring this video. Ooh, I like these. Of course, we have a wig cap, a edge brush, another HD cap. Oh, this is the wiglets. We're gonna go inside. Oh my, look at that lace. Guys, are you seeing this lace? Are you even seeing the color of this wig? So most definitely, this is a pre-everything wig, pre-cut, pre-bleach, and it's a 7x5. And always a comb at the back. Guys, I love my wigs where you can keep them a little bit more snug, not just relying on the band, but you can open these. Okay, so whenever I open these, if I need it a little bit more snug, oops, I will do something like this, and it grabs the wig a little bit more. So this is how the lace looks. It's pre-curl, pre-cut, pre-bleach, which it looks super good, and I love the color of it. Look at that highlight. So we're definitely going to install this. The wig feels super soft, so we don't have to do much. Let's get to the install. Alright guys, I already prepped my hair, so we are working with Unice. Yes, you guys know. And I prepped my hair already. We are going to install this wig. It's pre-curled. You see those curls? We are definitely going to go in and curl, but this is a 7x5 lace, and I'm going to go ahead and add some makeup on the lace right here for sure. And I think this color, they call it butterscotch. So yeah, I really like it. Butterscotch highlight brown, that's what it is. It's 150 density 7x5 lace loose wave wig from Unice. We're gonna add some makeup. I'm gonna prep the lace, and then I will be back to see how it looks. A matter of fact, let's try it on right now. We do have a band. Showed you guys that it came with a band already, and we might just do a glueless install. No, that's how the lace is. We are gonna go ahead and cut off these rigid parts of the lace, and I'm gonna style this wig. The color suits the complexion. I might go in with 2 or 3 different styles with this hair because it looks so nice. Yes, I'm thinking, should we go but we're gonna see. So let me prep the hair, and then I will be back. Y'all, I added makeup to the lace at the front. We're gonna put on the wig again and make sure that it is snug on the head, because we working with a glueless install. There is absolutely no lace. And I like to stretch all my wigs to cover. I'm gonna go tighter because right there. I think we can work with glueless. I'm gonna snug the wig because I'm not gonna take it off. I'm gonna style it on my head. Yeah, I really like the color of this wig. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna brush the curls out because we're gonna go in and recurl it. It's super soft and the hair texture is perfect. Also, it's 150 density, so we have a lot of room. It's not too heavy, looks full because it is a wavy wig, so I like that. Seems like 22 or 24 inches. The detail will be in the description, of course. So this is how the lace look as is. I'm gonna make sure it is centered. That's how the lace look. We're gonna get into styling the wig. I'm gonna start off with the hot comb.
Find something worth saving. It's all for the taking. I always say, I'll be better on Saturn. None of this matters. Dreaming of Saturn. Oh, yeah. Karma's really real. How am I still here? Just seems so unfair. I could be wrong.
Went ahead and curl one side of the wig, so cute. I am gonna go curl the other side and then I'm gonna do my makeup. So once we get back, it's styling time for this wig. It's super light. It literally took me less than 10 minutes to curl this side, and it's gonna take me the same amount to curl this side. So I'm gonna go and we're gonna be back. Definitely gonna leave the wig as a glueless install because I like it as is. So let's finish this side and come back, okay? Alright, so we are back. I went ahead and I did my makeup. I want to comb out these curls just to see how they will. Oh, yes. Want to see how the curls are gonna look.
Does he step back and adore you? I just gotta know. Cause your time is money and I won't let him waste it. Oh no, no. Baby, just go with it. Cause when you're with me, I can't explain it. It's just different. We can take it slow. Or act like you're my girl. Let's get the basics. Whoa.
Okay guys, so I wanted to show you guys the first hairstyle, which is gonna be a random regular center part, and I wanted this to be as this. So this is the first style. Absolutely love it. Real simple. I decided to go with baby hair because I wanted it to have that full look, and not because it's a closure, it doesn't mean you cannot give the illusion as a frontal. So I decided to go with the baby hair. I add some layers at the front just because you don't have to do that. The wig is perfectly fine as how it came out the package. So this is it with the front. Absolutely love it with the baby hair. The color of the hair is phenomenal. I love that about it. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how the color look at the back. As you can see, so cute. So this is the color. I went ahead and I told you guys I curled the wig. So this is how it looks. So cute. It's bouncy. The wig is not going anywhere. The wig is secure. Around the back, it is secure. Yes, so it's not going anywhere. And I love that. And we can all do an updo. So I'm gonna go in. I love the color. I feel like I'm gonna work with a color here like this for my birthday. I really do love the vibe of what this is giving right now. It's very simple, but it is cute. So I'm gonna go in and look at those curls. Just look at those curls. So cute. Okay, let's see what else we can do with this wig. You guys already know my signature is this. Even out some. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. When you can find the closure and you can turn it into certain hairstyle, it is super versatile. This is a closure, as you guys can see, and I'm just freelancing, showing you guys how you can also do a updo with a closure. Okay, I love this one. This one is giving. I never ever go wrong with a updo. No, my favorite is this. Yes, yes. Give me more. Just give me more. I need all the updos. Look at it. And the color is just perfect. Oh. What? You kidding me now? You are kidding me. Because this is amazing. Okay, yes, so showed you guys the second style. I'm gonna see if I can go in a little bit more and do another hairstyle. Absolutely love it. It's giving, it's giving. All right guys, so the other hairstyle is simple, gonna be I love this. Okay, that's the third hairstyle. Now I can go ahead and I can use a claw clip and for it to stay firm, just in case, I can also go like this. So there is just so much versatility with this wig. can open it up however we want to do it. Even if we wanted to go in a bun, we could do that. So this is it, y'all. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Stay in tune with me creating 2 to 3 different hairstyles. How much did we do? 3 hairstyles, yeah, with 1 closure wig. Now I want you guys to make sure you check the description to unicehair.com and make sure you get this wig. The color is screaming summertime. It is, and I know most of you guys are going on vacation. You need this wig. It's a closure wig, okay? And it fits so much. You can just design and style the hair in so many different ways where it's not gonna look like a closure. Now this ends the recording of this video. Make sure you check the description down below and get this wig. You can visit their you can visit their website if you are not a person to try color and want to try a different wig. Most definitely. So the free part have so much fluffy curls. I love that. And the lace is lacing, okay, for a closure. Now I went ahead with some baby hair just to give it an illusion. Nothing big, you don't have to add it. I showed you guys at the front how the wig look without that. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to this video. Let me know if you like different hairstyles, and these are personally my favorites to always leave something out. I just feel like you cannot go wrong with an updo. I absolutely love it. So thanks again to Unice for sponsoring this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Remember, check the description bar in the video. Bye.